Welcome back to Simple Tech School, where IT becomes simple. When you send a message, open a website, or stream a video, a lot is happening behind the scenes. Your data doesn't just magically travel from your device to another. It follows a structured process. That process is explained using something called the OSI model. The OSI model, which stands for Open Systems Interconnection Model, is a way to understand how data moves from one device to another across a network. It breaks this process into 7 layers, each with a specific job. Think of it like sending a package. Before a package reaches its destination, it goes through different steps: packing, labeling, shipping, transporting, and delivery. The OSI model works the same way, but with data. Starting from the top, we have the application layer. This is the layer closest to you, the user. It's where you interact with applications like web browsers, email apps, or streaming services. When you click send or open a website, this is where it starts. We also have the presentation layer. This layer makes sure the data is in the right format. It also handles things like encryption and compression. Think of it as preparing the message so both devices understand it. Then comes the session layer. This layer manages the connection between two devices. It starts, maintains, and ends communication sessions. It's like keeping a conversation going and making sure it doesn't suddenly drop. Below that is the transport layer. This layer is responsible for delivering data reliably. It breaks data into smaller pieces and makes sure everything arrives correctly. If something is missing, it can request it again. Next is the network layer. This is where IP addresses come into play. The network layer decides the best path for data to travel from one device to another across networks. Then we have the data link layer. This layer handles communication between devices on the same network. It uses things like MAC addresses to ensure data gets to the correct device locally. Finally, at the bottom is the physical layer. This is the actual hardware: cables, signals, and electrical pulses. It's how data physically moves from one place to another. Now let's simplify everything. Think of the OSI model as a 7-step journey for data. The top layers prepare the data, the middle layers organize and route it, the bottom layers physically send it. When data is sent, it travels down these layers from the sender. When it is received, it travels back up the layers on the receiving device. Remember this: the OSI model is not something you see, but it helps IT professionals understand how networks work, how to troubleshoot problems, and how data flows across systems. If something goes wrong, like a website not loading, IT professionals use the OSI model to figure out which layer is causing the issue. If this made sense, you're officially learning IT. Please like the video, comment, share it with someone starting from zero, and subscribe to Simple Tech School.